SEO and its ultimate guide. SEO refers to the process of optimizing your website for search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The primary goal of SEO is to increase organic traffic to your website by ranking higher on search engine results pages, SERPs. SEO is essential because it helps improve the visibility and credibility of your website. The higher your website ranks on SERPs, the more likely users are to click on your website, which can lead to increased traffic, leads, and revenue. How does SEO work? SEO works by optimizing various aspects of your website, such as the content, structure, and design, to make it more appealing to search engines. Search engines use complex algorithms to determine the relevance and usefulness of a website to a user's search query. SEO involves optimizing your website to ensure that it meets these algorithms' criteria, such as the use of keywords, meta tags, and backlinks. Additionally, SEO also involves optimizing your website for mobile devices, improving the user experience, and increasing the website's loading speed. Different SEO techniques. There are two main types of SEO techniques, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to the optimization of various aspects of your website's content, such as the use of keywords, meta tags, and internal linking. On-page SEO also involves optimizing the website's design, layout, and structure to improve the user experience and make it more appealing to search engines. Off-page SEO refers to the optimization of factors outside of your website that can affect its ranking on search engine results pages. This includes factors such as backlinks, social media engagement, and online directory listings. Off-page SEO is essential for building your website's credibility and increasing its visibility on the web. Benefits of SEO for your business. There are numerous benefits of SEO for your business, including A. Increased website traffic. SEO can help increase organic traffic to your website, resulting in more leads, sales, and revenue. B. Cost-effective. SEO is a cost-effective way to market your business compared to traditional marketing methods. C. Increased credibility. Ranking higher on SERPs can increase your website's credibility, making it more likely that users will trust your business and purchase your products or services. D. Competitive advantage. SEO can help you gain a competitive advantage over your competitors by ranking higher on search engine results pages. E. Long-term results. SEO is a long-term marketing strategy that can provide sustainable results for your business. Conclusion. In conclusion, SEO is a critical component of digital marketing that can help improve the visibility and credibility of your website. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can increase your organic traffic, leads, sales, and revenue. SEO involves various techniques, such as on-page and off-page optimization, and offers numerous benefits for your business. Therefore, if you haven't implemented SEO strategies for your business yet, it's time to get started.